Grab a Collins or a highball glass. Then pour in half an ounce of lemon thyme syrup. Add 2 ounces of London dry gin, 3/4 an ounce of cherry concentrate, 3/4 an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Add ice cubes. Now stir until chilled and top off with club soda. Give the cocktail another quick stir. And now you're ready to garnish with a sprig of fresh lemon thyme, a fresh lemon wedge, and a cocktail cherry. Now sit down and settle in for a cool, refreshing sip because it's time for a lemon cherry sling. Another delicious craft cocktail from MartiniDiva.com. Cheers, my dears.